Okay. Buddy. Oh my goodness. Good morning. It's Sunday. It's our last day here. And it has cooled off quite a bit. We're gonna try to get out this afternoon. We have some obligations we have to attend to here this morning. And it's just nice to kind of recoup and get our bearings back and, you know, rest the wounds. Hands are beat to heck. Man, the sturgeon just put up such a battle. It's definitely a two-man job. It's a team effort out there, and one guy catches one, you definitely need the other guy's help to get it in, especially with the current ripping as fast as it is right now. So man, we had an absolute ball out there yesterday, hoping to tangle with a few more before we have to load up and head back to Bemidji today. But whew, Patrick was on an absolute tear. You guys need to go over to Minnesota Chomp on YouTube and check out the video he's going to be putting out. He set the bar high. So he was able to accomplish his personal best sturgeon, not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times over, with a 66-inch sturgeon. Nearly a 30-inch girth. I would say 28, 29-inch girth, but beast. So you guys need to go check that out. He had the hot stick yesterday. It was fun to see that many big sturgeon come into the boat in one day. Sometimes you're lucky if you go out and catch, you know, a high 40s, low 50s. Always run into some of those smaller sturgeon in the mix too, which is good to see. But we put some serious inches of sturgeon in the boat yesterday. You can measure it in feet. So awesome day. We're gonna see if we can get out here this afternoon. It's gonna be overcast. I don't think we're gonna see the sun today. It's gonna be a bit breezier and it's a bit cooler. So the good thing is that the water clarity did not seem to affect the sturgeon whatsoever, because it's pretty much non-existent right now. You can see a couple inches into the water when you drop a bait in, that's it. Current flow has really increased with all the runoff we've had from the storm. I think we got like 3-4 inches of rain the last couple days, so sturgeon are digging it. We're gonna get back out, see if we can't tangle with a few more. Stay tuned. It's the final day, final hours. It's not gonna be a long sit, but hopefully it's a productive one. A couple sturgeon would be nice to cap off the trip on, right?
Yeah. I can't ask for anything more.
You shouldn't.
And I'm not going to.
That was a fantastic day of fishing. I mean, not numbers wise, I would say, but for sheer size of fish.
It was freaking weird, man. It just kept going up and up and up number wise. Like quality of fish.
Yeah, Patrick crushed his personal best 4 times. Yeah. 4 times in one trip. With one super mega freak that you're gonna have to check out on his channel, because that was a special fish in more ways than one, really. So gonna get back out. We got west northwest winds barking pretty good today, 20 miles an hour I think. So we're gonna give her a few hours and see if we can hook up with a couple more before we head back to Bemidji and call her a weekend. But already a huge success, a lot of fun. Oh, it's fun to just tie into a couple of those fish, let alone, you know, as many as we did and the size that we did. So we'll see on the water. Chocolate milk. Sturgeon don't even care. Doing what they do best and roaming the bottom of the river, picking up on scents, finding the baits, and it's go time. Gonna get back out, give her one last go, see if we can't catch a couple more. It's been a heck of a weekend. I'm not kidding you, not even 2 minutes.
We barely sat down.
I just put the rod down. We're bent. Unreal. I don't know if I've ever gotten to a spot, dropped a line, and had a bite that fast. Are you kidding? It's a good fish, dude.
It's that rod.
It's is the magic stick.
I reeled up. I've got it out of the water.
I'm not even joking. It wasn't 2 minutes.
If it's a 66, it's gonna be the same girl.
Guys,
Look at that.
unreal. I have this thing completely cranked. I cannot turn the drag anymore. This is a big fish. This is a big fish. The drag is absolutely locked down as tight as she'll go. Now we're gaining on her a little bit. Come on, baby. You get them straight up and down, that's when you know
Yeah.
how big they actually are. No jumps yet. Pop the middle seat out for a little extra wiggle room here. Always is a good idea when you get into these bigger fish. Have some room to work, have the essential tools. Love to fish for them, but try to respect them too and get them back as soon as we can. Because by the time you get these fish in, we're not the only ones that are gassed, they are too. So they are amazing specimens. Nice.
Dude, I'm still trying to wrap my head around the fact that we literally put the anchor down, cast it once.
Dude.
Yep. Oh boy.
Oh god.
Good handle. Oh, the master at work. Okay, now we're on the other side of the boat.
It's all about angles. Patrick will tell you, these fish can put you in a bad spot in a hurry, and there's really not much you can do about it. They kind of do what they want, do it their way. All you can do is go with the flow. She's coming up now. She's coming up river. How big are you? How big are you? This is a mega. This is heavy artillery too. This is not no 20-pound monofilament or medium action rods. These are beefy rods, pool cues, spooled with 80-pound braid.
Come on, show yourself, baby.
I just want to see you. Unreal. The power.
I got a wounded hand, so what I'll do is I'll hold the rod. I got it. Oh, oh. Let me know when you got her tail, and I'll press the button.
Oh, dinosaurs! Man, she's got length.
Oh, she does. Woo!
Yes.
Ouch! Ah, my bad.
Hold on. 61.5 inch beast.
Jurgen.
All right, let's get you back, sweetheart. Thanks for the fight. Get bigger, baby. Whoo! Love that pole. Let's get another one.
All right.
All right.
Have to have a better speed.
That fish kicked my behind. Caught a lot of sturgeon, but that one, for whatever reason, had a little extra oomph to her. Most fish will come up within the first 30 seconds of hooking into them. They don't really know what's going on. They just kind of gravitate towards the surface and give you a glimpse. This thing was glued to bottom, never even saw it until the very end. 61.5 inch sturgeon. Beautiful fish. It's a nice clean one too. No lamprey scars. Hasn't been tagged. Who knows if that fish has ever even been caught. There's so many sturgeon in the system, it's hard to say. So I got crawler, bedding, and poo in my monster. Don't even care. Just enjoying it. Boat is a horrendous mess. This is the sign of a fantastic weekend of sturgeon fishing. Bits and pieces of crawlers. We got pine needles, leaves, crawler, poo, and bedding everywhere. Been an amazing weekend.
There's even human blood in here.
There's human blood, there's fish blood, there's crawler blood, all sorts of blood. But just soaking in the last couple hours. Checking baits, clearing debris.
Picked off.
Patrick got picked. Need some crawlers, friend?
Yeah.
Let Daddy hook you up. Ooh. Sturgeon candy. Me go, amigo. Oh. Little different than the first one. Little junior here. Look at that body armor. That's impressive. They are a very interesting species. That's just crazy. All right, we're both spent, exhausted, sore, but my goodness, what a trip. Unforgettable.
I'm gonna crash his video, and I want to say thanks for hauling my ass up here, dude.
Not a problem, buddy.
You know, it started out with our hopes of going to Mille Lacs.
Mm-hmm.
I think we played the weather right.
I think so.
Yeah, this was super fun. Thanks, buddy.
Oh yeah,
Watch his
definitely.
stuff.
All of the elements came together for the perfect weekend, really. The boil from this fish is the size of the boat. Oh my God. Dude, did you see that thing?
Yes, I did.
Wow. Oh, I don't know what we're dealing with here. I didn't see much of the fish. She might come up right behind me. Look at this rod right now. Straight flexing. Oh, we gotta switch sides. She knows she's hooked now. Now she knows. Oh my gosh, the boil on that thing. Oh my gosh.
Could this be the last one for the day?
What are you trying to say?
Just saying, we got stuff to do.
I don't know, man. They keep biting like this, it's hard to leave. Keep themselves up. Oh, she's gonna come up. Oh, oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Same thing that happened last night.
That's a big fish, guys.
It is a huge fish.
She's still at the surface. I can see her way out there. Look at that thing.
Oh, I see her.
She's still wrapped. She's still wrapped.
It looked like she came undone. Oh, she's coming in backwards.
That's never good. Just gonna take our time. She might unravel. That's bigger than the last one, maybe. I don't know. You can see. There we go. Guys.
Bye-bye.
Power. Power. One word to describe these fish. They are insanely strong. And this one's putting on an absolute show. Oh, come on. This is another 60 plus.
Oh, easy.
Steady flexing. That's all a guy can do. Hang on, enjoy the ride. Oh my gosh. It's another giant. Another giant. Oh. Oh, she's big.
Yeah, she is.
Dude. Unreal. Look at the head on this thing. Oh my goodness.
Starting to get some weather.
Come on, baby. There she comes. Okay. Okay. All right. She's doing the death roll. All right. You ready?
All right.
I don't think she's hooked that great. Get her out, get her out.
Button's pushed.
Yes! Sturgeon in the rain. Look at that thing. Oh, woo! Unbelievable, guys. I don't know if she'll go 60, but she's close. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes! She's dumping on us. We're gonna get her back. Another 60 plus, 61 inches on the nuts. Insane, guys. Unbelievable. This fishery is wild. Big sturgeon going back to her home. Bye-bye, sweetheart. I think that's gonna cap her off, guys. 4 sturgeon over 60 inches. The size of these fish has been insane.
That's
insane.
awesome.
Burned through 12 dozen crawlers, jumped a few spots, landed on this one, and the number of big fish this spot has kicked out, unreal.
It has been a stellar weekend.
Thank you guys for watching, checking in, watching the videos. Really appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.